My name is Betel Reuven, and I'm the Director of Finance at Fore Biotherapeutics, a precision oncology company that uses functional genomics to pioneer treatments that improve the lives of patients with rare cancers. Priority helps us utilize digital banking and send bank transfers directly from Priority to the bank, including wire transfer abroad. Before, every transfer would take several minutes to create each SWIFT transfer on the bank's portal, with us rekeying the data regarding tax information and purpose of each transaction for every wire transfer. Additionally, we are pulling bank transactions from the bank straight into Priority at the press of a button without having to go to the bank website. I highly recommend Priority ERP and PRT technologies to all of my colleagues.